Rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. I just planted, I got like 200 plants in my bedroom, and it's super exciting. Not 200 plants in my house. What I do is I get this here, I get banana water, and I plant, and then outside, I don't know if you can see it, I got 45 raised beds. Some from last year. This is the kale from last year. Kale from last year. The strawberries are there, and I really got to work the rest of it. So I'm getting up early. I did this last night. I did cabbage yesterday morning. I did kale last night. I did Swiss chard last night. And ready. Keep in mind, when you're with nature, with garden, and you have to work another hour and a half, you become very time conscious. Goal setting. You want to do it. Anyway, this is basil. Look at that. Whoa. That's pretty exciting. I love that. And then I think I'm going to have, if I have time today, I'm going to finish this rest of this kale right there. And some lettuce. And I got a call from England. Anyway, this is live. Rock and roll, live the dream. Super excited. Stay focused. Stay committed. Eat your fruits and veggies. And get the vegan bundle. It'll share a lot of thoughts on how to do it. Bye.